because we... Thanks, dear. You're doing great.
Yeah.
Today we're doing a front brake upgrade on Pops because when we put the IRS on the back, we inadvertently gave ourselves a much bigger rear brake. So our current power stop Crown Vic replacements just aren't going to cut it. So he's getting Wilwoods up front. That hurt! Curious to know was what's the weight difference between the power stop brakes we're taking off and the 14-inch Wilwoods we're putting on. So let's get to it. So they're looking like 37.6 pounds per side for the power stop. Looks like, take it off. 31 pounds. Huh, we're actually saving weight.
Really?
Yeah.
It's probably because, like, this is what I was noticing when I was picking them up. I'm betting we're saving, I think you're right, saving more weight here than we're gaining.
So that's 20 point, it looks like 2 pounds. So that was 20.2 pounds.
Pretty good.
Hmm? And that was stupid heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they weigh exactly the same. Interesting.
Really?
Yeah. 20.2 pounds and 20.2 pounds. Which means these are super heavy.
That could be it.
Because these are cast and those are like ultra lightweight. What, do you not trust me?
I don't trust the scale.
20 pounds. Más o menos.
Loaded caliper.
£11.
The mount and the pads. So yeah, these
Watch
things
the fluid.
Way up. Top. No.
£18. Wow, that's where the difference is.
Yeah.
Because there was about a 7-pound difference between the two sets. It's in the caliper.
Yeah.
Good grief.
It's impressive.
Sweet. So we're actually saving weight. We thought we were gaining it.
I know. I did.
Bonus. Ladies and gentlemen, a 14-inch Wilwood brake upgrade on a stock-ish Crown Vic front clip. Wilwood's pretty much the only company that makes a big brake upgrade for these Crown Vic front ends, so huge shout out to our buddy Sean at InnovaSpeed for hooking us up, for knowing what we needed to get this big brake upgrade on this beast.
And it fitting perfectly?
And it fitting perfectly. Like, we had zero problems. This thing went on, and bonus, it's actually lighter, which we weren't expecting because we thought bigger brakes, more weight. but tossing out some stock Crown Vic parts, we actually saved about 7 pounds per side, so 14 pounds total. Huge, huge bonus. So
Off the front of the truck too.
yeah,
which is
massive.
great.
That's pretty massive. So big shout out to Sean at Innova Speed. If you need any Wilwoods, please hit him up. I'll link his webpage. I'll link his Instagram, his Facebook page, everything down in the description. Hit him up for all of your Wilwood needs. He knows exactly what he's talking about, and he'll get you hooked up. So there we have it, folks. Big stopping power.